Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Open Google Photos, confirm you're in the right account, then tap your profile and go to Photos settings. Enable backup and sync so the app can copy new photos. Once enabled, toggle Use mobile data to backup. This allows uploads when Wi-Fi isn't available. Make a quick choice of upload quality. High quality saves space, original uses more data. You're doing this now to let photos flow automatically, not later when you might lose recent shots. Once backup is turned on, refine what moves over mobile data. Tap Backup Device folders and toggle only the folders you want: screenshots, WhatsApp, camera. Make sure to decide about videos because they consume far more data. Include them only if you accept the cost. Next, open cellular data usage and choose whether to allow photos, videos, or both. If you're concerned, set limits in your phone's data settings or enable warnings so backups stop before you exceed your. Finish by confirming uploads. Open Photos and check the backup status at the top or view individual images for the cloud icon. If files aren't uploading, first toggle backup and sync off and on, then restart the app. Make sure mobile data is active, battery saver is off, and background data is allowed for Google Photos. If problems persist, check app permissions and your carrier's data cap. A single restart or permission fix usually restores smooth mobile backups, so don't panic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.